Greetings and grace and peace to you. My name is DJ Sabs, aka Mr. Radio Man. I'm inside your box, the channel 260, Bumakapa TV, and the name of the program is called Ichampile Live. And definitely Ichampile is a one room today. The Urban Exchange, Speti Hip Hop Ngokwayo, a couple of faces that are familiar and also those who've never seen before. So, jam-packed program so that you can enjoy a kaya. Our numbers are growing, and definitely tell your sisters, tell your brothers, tell your uncles that usabs ulapha eTV kuMpumakapa TV ku channel 260 phathele nkqubo emnandi. Namhlanje ke silapha one room uzambona uNdlula Mthi, Krimpa Grumba is here, uLizzy Ityani ulapha, and other amazing artists. Uyakim always making sure that we get this urban exchange right here at the one room. Peterology is your DJ on the ones and twos. Guys, man, come through, masibona.
Yes, sai, we have a P, we have a pa. 10 again ngeleng, 10 lakilanga. Mnansuka kanabuhla enayi. Mzile ngu10 gwakavusana. Mna altate, kaskuyazi bana whatever you do he might, yabantu bakhe almighty. So inspiration kwayona yasuka pha iqala emntwini ayenayo yabo. So for mna yonke into endithi ndiyenza ayenayo into idea whatever inspiration endifumanayo fumana emntwini ndifumana ku-almighty fumana endalweni yabo. Yeah, so ndiyabulela yabo kasikuyazi basilapha e-urban exchange yabo. Hala back to Fruitman yabo uyakim mavula kuvaliwe yabo siyabulela alinayo yabo. So nami zo represent itina kaphe ngisayifeel banobuhle engqeleni yayifeel let it be known nayo yabo. Yeah, so ke ndiyabulela yabo and nganifumana ke na ku Facebook ndingumzile ethene kuvusana yonke into uyayifumana pha anaye ezinye izinto ngicela ningixolele. But ke nanifumana yonke into yami eninithi uyifumana pha mzile ethene kuvusana aldate. Ndiyabulela otherwise yabo yavaphi yavaphala ka reps kona buhle thina ke ngceleni yes sai.
Hey yo ndithi 10 lakilanga 10 ke ngceleni uyavapha abandiva niphinde nimve ndaba zabantu endingazange ndizive isitena nemiliqe engazange iminxe khwapheni notyityo ezabantu izitsibe gqiyazalela ingutshomi ikhekhela kulifihle ngelika Yehova ihlabathi nenzaliseko yalo wakundiva akuphinde undive ndithi nqo sithi izandla nini inhloko ngqobo kwilulwane engenangqondo ngqo ngoba si-aima ngalo mboko umlibe wenda igama ngamanzi yale mithombo ndithi nqo sithi izandla nini inhloko ngqobo kwilulwane engenangqondo ngqo ngoba si-aima ngalo mboko umlibe wenda igama ngamanzi yale mithombo shi sambe ta. Hey mic check 1 2 1 2. How dope can you get king? How dope can you get king? Buzo butriko man. Hey yo mic check 1 2 1 2. 10 lakilanga kuyungekazazi inhlungu intetho ivuthiwe inivicephe lemuncu ekopini yiviniki inxeba ndilixoxa ngemuncu. Get it together or you gonna catch them feelings. I'm over man, I was never under my circumstances. Took all my chances to be timid dependents. Loyiko live as a ngukhopho yezo lendebe. Ihanda to the strategy ndiyabala. School of their hard knocks salala jonga si fresh palafala. Datumisa yo masala dinqobi bibo sisaya nhlelini moja lawo. Mzansi this is magic ndiyakhankasa. And apex some ruthless. You played it as a moon man we met bro. Listen, being grounded is a movement. You ready? Here's my tool set. In 10 cents divided by 2 cents. Give me my 5 toes, I'm rooted, their 7s, I go Kambuzi. I got myself, you only flow with rivers, channel and it. Can this space 2000 kings, young as yens and charit. How dope can I get king? How dope can I get king? Number 8 is the Legala, is the sun infinite. Lishumim Kamanani, a protector in the ruler. Being boxed in is the instrument to what I chose Glolulwin. But then ngathi nelesibini mina yokuqala ikawa eyesithathu ngolwesibini kaloku umgqibelo yisabatha nkosisikelele tinaka yaphakamisa imibulela kukokuncane impumalanga engqele nasoze sifane 180 plus 90 plus 90 equals to 10. You see I've come full circle, I'm the bomb, feel the banger, every word is a grenade and the bazooka ayisuka Mr. Vusano yavusa kwethu andinayo emnehlweni akho ndayisusa wax on wax off nalidini ndiyalinyusa Mr. Miyaki and Daniel San Fusion. How dope can you get, king? Man ngumbuzo buciko, I'm dope and I'm fluent. Hey yo mic check 1 2 1 2. How dope can you get, king? How dope can you get, king? Buzo buciko man. Hey yo mic check 1 2 1 2. How dope can you get, king? How dope can you get, king? Buzo buciko man. Hey yo mic check 1 2 1 2. How dope can you get, king? How dope can you get, king? Buzo buciko man. Hey yo mic check 1 2 1 2. How dope can you get, king? How dope can you get, king? Buzo buciko man. She Yababi she Sameta hey 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 Yababa yes I hey Ngethi thela kilanga ndiyathandaza ngasokoli endleleni ndihambe kahle ndingakhali ngesikoloji akuyiyizelwe kumamatheke ibe sisislozi ibe ngumnyama thende ibe ngambisi what I'm coaching bambe jamani cala ungiqalele my lord yes I she my lord. Hey, Yababa. Yes I. Thela kilanga ndiyathandaza ngasokoli endleleni ndihambe kahle ndingakhali ngesikoloji akuyiyizelwe kumamatheke ibe yilimilozi lo ngumsebenzi omkhulu icama kulivume senze ntoni a product of your environment but a menace to society. It doesn't add up. There's no equality. Divide and conquer. The device is proper. The remainder is to prosper. Every time I'm on one, maybe I'm paraphrasing. Para still does amaze me. Tingabali paragraph, but the fact is it doesn't face me. Paranormal activity. Enga need no bumyama. I realize fear lives you paralyze my gala. God and ten and gabi mjala. Ngageleko ichokala yimbilo. Ichokala ngwengogo ngafundu zoya. Small cones. Gobi spindi senso ngesoya. This is Paradise 10 for the slimes, the paranoia yavapha izinga zam zihleli semagxeni kuqhuma kwephara apha kum ukuseseleni ubhatasela nokuxhathazela akukho excelling. What I'm changing is a paradigm shift up period. That's my enigma. I never lost a signal. A volcanic magma. 2 accounts as Tega. They say PS10 but I'm old school as a Sega. A player for the most part, the best to ever do it. The greatest of all time. The GOAT is what I'm cooking.
Yasineka when I'm speeding.
When you look at your feedback, I won the contest. The cricket zalo, yeah, I did that. Ungazithathi izandla zam king ngahamba nge-wheelchair. Inqaba mna ndiyalazi walibona kude nge-TV and many men were massacred and ndithethe ngo-50 cent. Indoda inkosi uzazi. Tenek is for real men. When you persistent, this is that I live this. Uphila lubala as long ubamba like seedlings. Melwane wami is the MVP. That's my teammate. 71. This ring show my achievements. A baller for the most time. To go up by the minute and I mean it. Vicious because il babena you devious. Langa engileni I'm on fire so much chile akoniva. Kobuchile lengisile kumthomba mela gogo masisile jonga mzile kusani yabalalaye waje be sleeping. Isitubu sporishiwe xa bengena nje be sleeping. Isiporishele isitubu khula kwama. I know what this is. Kukana I know what creep is. Indikaza sasa zonke numbers for maximum cryptic and ocean flows. Currently I'm moving in secret in the river, the beasts, fish and prawns. I'm in it. The winds and sails. fire my ziki. Shit, this is what it is right here. Nini Kodwa. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is what it is right here. Nini Kodwa. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is what it is right here. Nini Kodwa. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is what it.
Champile Urban Exchange decided to go and get uNdlu all the way from Cape Town. Sizakele besike sabanaya apha kuminyaka edlulileyo. Performance yakhe was fire phaa eNew Brighton. Namhlanje se-Westbourne Road. Mntakwethu kunjani?
Kubhetele mkhulu wami kunjani?
Nathi siyabulela mntakwethu. Welcome back to the Nelson Mandela Bay Gqeberha.
Hi, this is my second home, man. Yeah, kakhulu. I love this place, man.
Tata, the time you were here, you were dropping your project. Tell us about the journey oyahambileyo with your album.
Actually, it was before COVID. The last week's bekuzawuvalwa, I still remember. This is a New Pride. We had an ample shows prepared, but we had to just do two, which was New Pride, Nepal, Mama. You know, for me it was an experience, man, because I love this place. Like this is one of the places that gave me like the conscious Ndlu, side of Ndlu. You know the people I've met here, the individuals and the organizations, the families. Yeah, but I project things really ngohlobo lwayo. You know, this was actually the project ABC startup whereby I did things on WhatsApp. You know, and it did good numbers, and then Tabuyela na kwezinye and did the same thing. So I started kuyo uthengisa ngelantsika, and I think abantu were more into attentive listening ngela xesha, and the content that was there, you know, even abantu kwethu that were on the outside now official are amped up to listen to some of the songs that were on that album, of which I will be performing, you know.
Now let's talk about people who don't usually listen to hip-hop music, but they tend to love your sound. I
think ilwimi, the stance what we took into representing our languages. I'm not into deep Xhosa rap. I use this slang, so to speak, from where I'm from. Like I grew up, I was born and bred in Cape Town. So I think in a dialect, somehow is the thing that captures abantu who don't actually listen to hip hop, but have that mentality of okay, sure, you know, abantu who are into groove, pianos, you know, abantu who are into jazz. When I'm there, they gather to listen. They give their attention.
No, also I think it's going to pop up every time when Black Coffee was listening to your song, Pai Motweni, you know, and every year at that time it pops up like, hey, you know, and they're like, who is this artist? Because Tina we share it, so that Aban Bayazma Undlu touches each and every person. Doesn't matter about you low, you high, you celebrate or you not celebrating. When people like that, especially Nansika content yako, what's the feeling?
Too much, man. Too much. I can count more than 5 people, you know, well-known people that have came and say, look, I just want to listen, you know, and who goes into them and say, it's like a big promise that a person wants to listen to my music, because I thought it relates to the people on the ground forces. I didn't know it could go up into a state whereby a well-known celebrity would listen to a song that I deem that it's not radio friendly even, but I thought and then post himself. Because, you know, Abandu, I have that thing of saying, I don't want to be seen as, but the song relates to him in a certain manner, you know, that this is what actually is happening Tina Singaban. So it gives like, I think Ngokuba Benumdu who didn't get that much credit. I don't know say unfortunately attention. I want to say credit yabo credibility, because we call it street cred, you know. If bengayifumani lo nantsika lo lento lo nantsika lo attention from abantu, I think esendiyekile ngoku, because I've been doing this for 2 decades, man, like, so, but being given la attention, you know, la cred, it warms the heart, man. It indenza ngiqhubeke.
Talking about Qhubeka, how do you Qhubeka now? Ube ungutata ngapha, you need to make sure that family is awesome. Last time you were supposed to be here, you couldn't come through because family needed you. What's the thing at here? Qhubeka.
I think kuba yonke into ifamily ifike emva. Ifike lento seyiqhubeka, you know, the structure, the foundation, abantwana bafike lento seyiqhubeka. Yabona, and yona nto yenza easy for him now, you know, because they sing along to the songs, they have songs that they like, yabo, and the fact that kukho into ezinjalo that they can see me popping up from a YouTube show komnye umntu, those things make them feel like nabo ba accomplish ezabo, because yeah, you know, and sibukele bona ngoku doing izinto abazithandayo ngobomi babo, you know, apart from being at school and being a chore loving child at home, banento abazenzayo that makes me feel like take on le into, suyeka bambelela ndoda yabo, bambelela sisuzawubona, you know, it gives la nantsika la strength and bond into the family as well, le nto ndiyenzayo, because I think that's where everything is being fruitful for him now. It's being family oriented first. Yeah, but ezinye izinto endizenza because they are there, you know, the content I choose because bakhona nabo.
Tata xa sizakuyeka ubuyele estagini, Abangoni is your next project. Qaba njengayo.
Yo, Abangoni, it's actually we said, you know, Nantsika no Zulu, you know, a person that had inspired yonke uNdlulamthi per se, you know. And he was like, we need a project again. And he's even Genaku Heart Livings, he was the person behind. Ku Substance, he was the person behind this. He's a person that I believe when he gives a task. Efana noba, this is now Abangoni, what we do. There's songs about Mamu Busi Mhlongo Kapo, you know. There's songs about why Sisithi singabangoni, about those who do not sin, you know, because the word now says Abangoni, but it's Abangoni, it's actually Abangoni, what transpired into the word, you know. The album it's partly finished. It's partly finished, but angakaxoli the content that I've put there, because so much is happening around the world, man. That needs, but we date back so that when we speak ngoku sikwazi wathatha zonke izinto abantu babone ba no, what is happening now is because we moved from here to here, you know.
Tata inxa ixesha thina ngoku sakubaleka sijonge pha estagini. Enkosi kakhulu, and those who want to follow you bakufumana phi?
Bandifumana pha mostly Facebook, ni number ya Nantsika no WhatsApp wami uzamfumana khona, usizakele Indlulamthi Zimkekane. And the albums as well, you know, I've been selling them as zip formats ngoku for some time. Abantu bakwazi uzifumana zoyi-5 albums eziphumile, including the singles amatywitywi nalamasokolari, which is the song I'm about to perform as well. Bazifumana zonke kunantsika kule nto ku-WhatsApp, but they can just link me up on ku-Facebook as usizakele Indlulamthi Zimkekane.
Kudala sithetha masibaleke sibheke pha estagini sive usizakele uNdlulamthi usiphathele ntoni.
He don't stop. Hip hop, he don't stop. From bedroom to street creds, uje kumeka nimngande. Lower the beat. From bedroom booth compliments to street creds. Critics, these rhymes, these lyrics, these enough sets. The DJ spin decks, these b-boys break legs. Cause we are freestyling over this dope beat. We got dope beat makers converted on black nets. Hope supporters, they come out today 2/3. Products are art, street, relevant price tags. Their albums, their EPs, mixtapes, these bootlegs. Part of this movement is your street swags, your hot chillers, your backpacks and your do-rags. Open mic sets for these wannabes and coolbies. Show love to the 6 element, you
Stereotypes, these haters, carbon copies, classic outfits that are sampled out in the old days. New school, keep it back to the OGs. Shout out to Yakim, shout out to Meir, man. And the one road. Yeah, man. Diabulela ubalapha, you know. Usually in our 9 to 5s, when you miss an interview, usichile span, you know. But you know, when you have something that it's like, as a school as Rambo. Rambo bamputile ngala xesha bebemfuna ukubulala ama-Vietnam. Uzawuthunya ikhethi beyi-1 bayikusembe okhangela lam sisamfuna lam. Yabo. Kuyikhomandi izoma phezu koRambo, uRambo ekubona uba wenziwe izakhe phaa iteksel uyadingwa phaa. Mbulwa lawo, noba ukuyiphosile ngombulwa lawo. So our skill is that, man. It gives us an opportunity based on the fact that we forfeited the first one, but on the second one we are given the same opportunity. So I appreciate this, man. I appreciate this. The first song, out of the 2 decades endiyenza le umuntu semdala yabo. That's why ngifaka kwi-extra time. Yabo, sizokhaba kwi-extra time because 45 minutes, man. Shows love. Lower the beat. Lower the beat for me. He has been an influence to me, man. Yeah, man. Undibuza ngendiphi, lower the beat. Where would I be? Babe ngawuthanda umculo ndibuze buza ngendiphi, tell me where would I be? Babe ngawuthanda umculo ndibuze buza ngendiphi, tell me where would I be? Yeah, babe ngawuthanda umculo ndibuze buza ngendiphi, tell me where would I be? Babe ngawuthanda umculo. Ours wasn't about being sound or scoring a record deal. We poured ourselves short, sibizwa amawaka in surreal, killing crowds. That spill just sweated us a skill, so culeli crowd unplugged before by Oxford was a trill. Being the realest in this lifetime is unreal, and if it's part of being broke, prescribe me a sleeping pill. Nowadays, enjoyment is for every Jack and Jill that paints abstract pictures of bombing njengamagama ngepencil. Pen experiences to an ordeal of how we struggle amidst the pandemic and a social ill. Kwazibani bangenindoni bazangachayo Emmy Bill, whose mother turned vengeance towards death into a meal. State bus manje limort, lives were spared, saqhekezela ibread kulinda sahlafuna sagrand without being said. Zange ndicinga ba could dodge being a jailbird ngibe ngumajayivane we-head. Ngespirit okubunda kwethu nami can rise isidraft landela do good ngechant ethi let the hungry be fed, naked be clothed. Pass me a needle and thread, so in a school of thought ain't no minutes to be spared. Ingachayisana bingopoqo bengqondo ubunzulu bemibalo sizwe insalo bagobodo benzi bakubenzima unyamekela inhlupheko kweliqondo like dark clouds casting on el mondo. Future look bleak, sixolela ungayiboni kunoba sigxulusha indondo kunojonga ukufa emehlweni bamashiya qatshwa iziphondo. Phinyaphinyeza kwirhanga imbacu zasemjodo sibaleka nengxowa zamaswati namampondo. Since distributing substance WhatsApp nge-audio emehlweni ama ezonyembezi jozi zandyondyo ngendlela eninibonise ngayo uthando. Ku-rise of istrato, city of gold, best believe ikapa iplato. This is a forward kwenye nje chapter. Ngengoma iyakuhlala ikhala ucima uzilayita kwami kukuyeka nje uzidawuta jo ndayeka ndiyatabhata go. And every joint I do anenzela ikuniqwayita from kwipizza zamadoda ngiphethe umqabhatata. That either side of me ndaye ndalipayita ngukamata ndisisithunywa ngicela amaphiko ngendintanda phezu kwenu njengengqondo yesiqhunywane ndicamta njengomlimi engihlabeni ndiplanta cause hip hop download shedding loop we've lost our city lights. Gogo nomkhulu ngicela nisibuzele kwabaphansi if depression is the plague with creative arts. Thixo ndincede ndiklophe ndingekade ndiklophe ngincede John sheke noblank ngokudikade ndiklophe phume endleleni nami ndiphume ndithengisa inyawuphi bonke umthandazo wemihla ngemihla ngenhliziyo emhlophe cause Dibuza ngandiphi, tell me where would I be? Babe ngawuthanda umculo ndibuze ndi. You know, this song I dedicate to a special woman, you know, in Cape Town, who, between the time whereby there was transition to our government, she lost a child, Amy Peel. I think many people know. You know, Ulinda Peel. She was an American woman who came not to persecute the people that were taken into custody over the murder of her child. She forgave them. And one of them now is the CEO of a program, Ektong Amy Peel Foundation in Cape Town, where it changed a lot of us from Gooks to Nyanga. We were given an opportunity to explore arts rather than to become jailbirds. So my heart goes out to La Mama, you know, because she's a mother to me. I would love a round of applause for her. Wherever I go, I make sure I perform the song so that people may know that we live in a country whereby we're being segregated to color and history, but because of arts, you know, we gained mothers that gave us a second opportunity, like Ulinda. Shout out to her. Respect. Yeah, man. Undlula Mthi is a brother to me, you know. Abanye abantu babona babona Undlula Mthi, but you know Undlula Mthi ufana sikhule sidlala ngemisundululu, you know. Nezinye way, you know. Other people had imaginary friends. This is how I see the brother. Atlantic situation ethile ngami, you know, he comes through.
Ijambile bekumnandi ngendlela amangalisayo apha e1 room. Igama ngu-DJ Sabs aka Mr Radio Man. Bonile bavula kuvaliwe. uLizzy Tyani mbonile, uTeenage mbonile, Undlula Mthi all the way from Cape Town. Ebelapha kwesi stage doing the things. Enkosi kakhulu thina siphinde sibonane ilixelisayo. Peace.